Hi, I'm Denise Lee, AIFD. I'm VP of Product Development for Sullivans. Now, if you know anything about Sullivans, you know we are all about flowers. So I want to just take a minute today to talk to you a little bit about our newest addition to our line, Sullivans FreshCut. These flowers are specially created with a look and feel of real flowers. They're super realistic, but at a great price point. Now, on the visual side, photorealistic printing is a new technology. What it is it allows the photograph of the petals of the flowers or a digitally created file to be imprinted directly onto the petals that are going to be assembled to make that flower. The result is totally realistic. It's absolutely gorgeous colors, you can see here, amazing colors. And then you combine that with the way the flowers are molded. So you can see these flower petals have been actually molded from real rose petals. So the look is a very realistic rose. I absolutely love it. As a matter of fact, if you look here in the bud vases, this is a mixture of fresh flowers and the Sullivans FreshCut, and I challenge you to tell the difference. Now I just want to show you too, look at this. I want to compare something for you here. So look at this is our Sullivans FreshCut Lisianthus, and this is a fresh Lisianthus. Look at that, isn't it fantastic? So another technique that's been in use a little bit longer is really the use of coated fabrics. So you can see here we have a real velvety fabric. This is used for our anemones. We also use this for a lot of our roses. It's a little bit of an older technique, but still extremely popular. So with this line, sometimes it might have the heavier fabric, or it might have some of these newer fabrics like these that are a little bit more modern and fresh. They still have a really soft touch and are still considered real touch flowers, but they are a little bit lighter and more modern. I think you're going to be absolutely stunned at this amazing new line. Some of the short stems are also one of my favorite things. Really great for hand-tied bouquets and bridal work without that extra cost of having to cut off the stem of a really long stem flower. And you can see how great it looks mixed in with other Sullivans items, some of our more unique type of stems, and you can also mix them with fresh flowers. So I would say ask your sales rep if you'd like more information on this fantastic line, or you can go to our website and type in FreshCut into the search window.